Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Django is a powerful web framework for building web applications quickly and with ease. To ensure your Django projects are maintainable, scalable, and adhere to best practices, it's important to follow certain guidelines. In this tutorial, we'll cover some of the best practices in Django development with code examples. Organize your project structure in a clear and modular way. A typical Django project structure might look like this. Always use virtual environments to isolate project dependencies. Create a virtual environment using. Activate the virtual environment. On Windows. On Unix or Mac OS. Install dependencies using. Split your Django settings into different files. Use environment variables to store sensitive information like secret keys. Configure databases in the settings.py file. Use environment variables for sensitive information. Example for PostgreSQL. Keep your urls.py file clean by using the include function to import URL patterns from other apps. Organize your code into reusable apps. Each app should serve a specific purpose. This enhances modularity and maintainability. Define models in your app's models.py. Use migrations to manage database schema changes. Keep views simple, and separate business logic from views. Use templates for rendering HTML. Example view. Handle static files and media properly. Configure static files in settings.py. For media files. Write tests for your code using Django's testing framework. Run tests with. Document your code using docstrings and comments. Consider using tools like Sphinx for comprehensive documentation. Following these best practices will help you build scalable, maintainable, and secure Django applications. Remember that these are general guidelines, and you may need to adapt them based on your specific project requirements. Happy coding! ChatGPT